Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to this video. In this video we're going to take a look at this Samsung Galaxy S3. As you can see, it has a smashed front screen and is actually in very poor condition. As you can see over here, it's completely black instead of gray. In this video I'm going to be restoring it to fully operating condition. But first we're going to take a look and see if it turns on. Alright, as you can see, it's actually turning on, so the motherboard is fine, but the screen is messed up, so the screen has to be replaced. Also, as you can see, the buttons light up. Now, what I did to make this video, I did bought a phone for parts. I bought this Samsung Galaxy S3 black one for €30. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the motherboard out of this one and put it basically into this. So we're going to change the color from white to black. So, before we're going to take apart our donor phone, first I'm going to show you what's wrong with it. Basically, I put the battery in right now, and as soon as I press the power button, it's basically just going to show this. This is a board level problem, so it's impossible for me to fix. So we're going to use this for parts. Anyway, enough talking, let's get started with the repair. So, we took the battery cover off. Now the first thing we are going to do is screw off the plastic frame cover. Alright, so I just put the phone back together and I put a battery in. So it's time to do a test and see if it will work. Alright. And the phone has a passcode. So that means we're gonna have to reset the phone to the factory settings. I'll be back in just a minute. Alright, now we are going to reset Android to the factory settings. Yes, 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 delete all data. Clearing. Reboot. Let's see. Alright, I will be back with you guys once I'm finished. Alright, now we're going to set up the device. We don't have a SIM card, bye bye. Alright, so this is it. This is the fully restored Samsung Galaxy S3. From white to black, and it's fully working. As you can see, everything is working. Get away from me. As you can see, the touchscreen is fully working. Everything works fine. I would like to thank you a lot for watching this video and hopefully see you again.